Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 13th, 2025, and we're diving into the first quarter earnings report of Exodus, a leading self-custodial cryptocurrency platform. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Exodus, especially given their recent performance in the cryptocurrency space.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Exodus reported a revenue of $36 million for the first quarter of 2025, marking the highest Q1 revenue in the company's history. John, what does this signify for Exodus?
This is indeed a significant milestone for Exodus. The 24% year-over-year growth in revenue highlights the company's ability to capitalize on the growing demand for digital assets. However, it's important to note that despite this revenue growth, Exodus reported a net loss of $12.9 million, which indicates challenges in managing costs and digital asset volatility.
And what factors contributed to this net loss?
The net loss was primarily driven by a $28.8 million loss on digital assets, which is a stark contrast to the $56.8 million gain in the previous year. This reflects the inherent volatility in the cryptocurrency market, which can significantly impact financial results.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operations, Exodus processed $2.18 billion in exchange volume this quarter. However, there was a decline in active and funded users. How should investors interpret these numbers?
The decline in active users to 1.6 million and funded users to 1.8 million suggests a potential challenge in user retention. However, the CEO, JP Richardson, emphasized the company's focus on self-custody, which remains a key differentiator in the market. This strategic focus could help Exodus maintain its competitive edge despite the current user metrics.
What does the future hold for Exodus in terms of growth and expansion?
Exodus is well-positioned to expand within the digital asset industry, as highlighted by CFO James Gernetzke. The company is exploring opportunities to leverage its platform and expand its offerings, which could drive future growth.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 22 cents. How does this align with the actual performance?
Unfortunately, the report does not provide the actual EPS figure for this quarter, which leaves us with some uncertainty. With only one analyst providing a forecast, the market expectations are somewhat mixed. Investors will need to consider the broader financial context and strategic initiatives when evaluating Exodus's performance.
Key takeaways. In summary, Exodus has achieved its highest Q1 revenue in history, but faces challenges with a net loss and declining user metrics. The company's focus on self-custody and strategic expansion offers potential for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Exodus's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Exodus's performance in the comments below.